Start. India's Road Safety Month, launched on January 18 as an extended form of the annual Road Safety Week for greater impact, has concluded with a bus accident in Madhya Pradesh that has claimed 51 lives. Stop. The victims, including many young people reportedly traveling to Satna and Rewa to take a government recruitment examination, were trapped within the bus as it plunged into a shallow canal. Stop. One of many ghastly mishaps that have occurred after the COVID-19 lockdown, it lends grist to the view that the country, with the world's vast record on road safety, cannot get its act together anytime soon. Stop. India has, according to the just released World Bank commissioned report, traffic crash injuries and disabilities, 1% of the world's vehicles but 11% of all road accident deaths, the Union Transport Ministry put the number of dead in 2019 at 1,51,113, and injured at 4,51,361. Stop. Those who suffer the most are from low-income households, especially in rural areas, and women bear the long-term financial and psychological impact of the losses more. Stop. Such as cringe-worthy performance, affecting the fundamental right to life of average citizen, should have led to intensive measures and a determined campaign to end the carnage, but the center and the states are evidently prepared to take only incremental steps. Stop. In the wake of this bus mishap, the immediate response has been to order a magisterial inquiry, which is no substitute for a technical investigation conducted by safety experts. Stop. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has actively campaigned for road safety, the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act of 2019 has provisions that aim to bring about change. Stop. But most states have been lukewarm towards hard steps to bring order to the roads, viewing zero tolerance rule enforcement through the lens of populism. Stop. This is reflected in the spate of accidents on India's highways, which witnessed 61% of deaths from just 5% of all accidents, as per 2019 data. Stop. The center must now set a timeline to operationalize the National Road Safety Board, for which draft rules were circulated in December last year, to lay down engineering standards and complaints procedures that will help citizens hold states to account. Stop. Transport departments continue to take an indulgent view of rule violations. Stop. Political parties and other fix illegal flag poles and spares on car bonnets and metal contraptions to SUV bumpers, which are deadly in an accident. Stop. Even with high political will, and there is no evidence this is present in all states, ending the silent pandemic of accidents will need education, civil society cooperation and professional policing. Stop. Meeting the SDGs on transport and reduced road safety deaths and injuries will need actions that go beyond pious declarations. Stop.